You ever walk into a home and feel peace? Not silence, not emptiness, but peace. The Amish live that way. Their houses are simple, clean, organized, no chaos, no piles, no noise, just a rhythm, a flow. Today on Rustic Pantry, we uncover their secret, how they keep their homes spotless, how they stay clutter-free without trying, and maybe how you can too. The Amish way of living simple. The Amish don't chase trends. They don't drown in stuff the way many of us do. Their homes look plain, yes, but inside there's order. There's calm. No random gadgets lying around. No shiny plastic clutter. Just things that matter. Things that serve a purpose. You walk inside an Amish home and you notice something right away. Air feels lighter. Rooms are simple, almost empty compared to modern houses. They live with less because they believe too much creates noise in the heart. They see clutter as distraction. Too many items? It steals focus. It steals time. So they keep what's needed. And the rest? It never enters their door. That's the Amish way of keeping life clean, both outside and inside. Homes built to stay clean. Their houses are not built to impress. Not for showing off. They are built for work. For living. Floors are wooden or plain linoleum. Easy to sweep. Easy to mop. Walls painted in calm colors. No heavy wallpaper to peel. Furniture solid. Handcrafted, but not too many pieces. Just enough. Tables. Chairs. A cupboard. Everything chosen with thought. Because they know, the more things, the more dust. The more corners, the more chaos. Windows are bare or simple curtains. Light flows in. You can almost feel how easy it is to wipe, scrub, polish. Their homes are designed like tools, made to be used, made to be cleaned. And that's why dirt never lingers too long. Daily habits keep order. Cleaning for them isn't a Saturday chore. It's every day. Small, steady, normal. They sweep floors daily, sometimes twice. They dust wood. They wash dishes right after eating. No dirty plates sitting in the sink for hours. No piles waiting. Things are done now, not later. That's how mess doesn't build up. Children grow up watching it. They don't need reminders. They just do it. For the Amish, routine isn't boring. It's life. Work and rhythm go hand in hand. You wake, you cook, you clean, you rest. And by evening the home still looks fresh. Always ready, always peaceful, because small steps stop big mess. The tradition of big cleaning. But it's not only daily tasks. They also have bigger cycles. Mondays are often laundry days. Heavy baskets, lines full of drying clothes outside. By Friday, houses are scrubbed extra well. Why? Because Sabbath comes. The holy day. Homes must feel calm, spotless. Then there's spring cleaning. Real spring cleaning. Not just tossing a few things. They open cupboards. They scrub windows until they shine. They wash walls. They check corners where dust hides. Nothing is ignored. These traditions mean no part of the house is ever forgotten. And with seasons, clutter gets sorted. What's still useful stays. What isn't, it goes. Furniture and storage without fuss. Step into an Amish home and notice how little furniture stand around. No overstuffed couches. No towers of shelves filled with random decor. Their pieces are few, but solid. Handmade wood, built to last. A table holds meals, nothing else. A chest stores clothes. Shelves for jars or books. And that's it. Open space remains open. No piles on counters. No junk drawers full of forgotten things. Every object has a home. And when it's not needed, it's not bought. No fancy storage containers. No plastic bins everywhere. Their storage is simple, strong, and it works. Decluttering without effort. For many people, decluttering feels painful. Letting go is hard. Not for the Amish. Why? Because they never cling. If something breaks, they fix it. If it can't be fixed, they reuse it somehow. A shirt becomes a rag. A dress becomes part of a quilt. Nothing sits useless in a corner. And if something no longer fits their life, they pass it on. Someone else will use it. That's how possessions keep moving. They don't hoard just in case. They trust they'll have enough. They trust they'll find what's needed when the time comes. Decluttering isn't a project. It's simply how they live. Family hands at work. Cleaning isn't left for one person. Everyone plays a part. Children learn early. A girl sweeps, folds laundry, washes dishes. A boy chops wood, helps outside, but also assists indoors when needed. Parents lead by example. Work is shared, never hidden. When the whole family joins, tasks finish fast. But more than speed, it builds pride. Pride in the home. Pride in the family. That's why their houses stay neat. Not because someone nags, but because everyone knows it's their space, their duty, their joy. No gadgets, no piles, no distractions. Think about modern homes. TVs in every room. Game consoles, cords, plastic toys, kitchen counters covered with machines. The Amish avoid all that. No flat screens, no endless gadgets. Their homes feel empty to outsiders, but that emptiness is power. There's nothing to tangle, nothing to dust around, nothing to constantly rearrange. By refusing excess technology and consumer goods, they automatically dodge clutter. They save space. They save peace. Their rooms look plain, but they breathe easier. They walk in and see space, not piles. And that difference changes everything. Cleanliness is spiritual. For them, cleaning isn't just about dirt. It's about spirit. A messy home reflects a messy soul. A clean home shows respect. Respect for family, for God, for life itself. When guests walk into an Amish home, they often feel it. Calm, peace, quiet order. It's not luxury. It's not design. It's something deeper. Cleanliness is prayer in action. Dust is not just dust. It's distraction. So they sweep it away. And what remains is focus, gratitude, balance, lessons for the modern world. Modern people chase storage hacks. They buy books about decluttering. They buy more boxes to store the things they already don't use. The Amish don't need hacks. Their secret is simple. Own less. Use what you own. Keep routines. Respect work. Live with purpose. That's why their homes shine. That's why clutter doesn't control them. And that's the lesson we can borrow. Maybe we won't give up technology. Maybe we won't live as plain. But we can learn. We can slow down. Clean daily. Stop buying endlessly. Share the work with family. Let go of things that weigh us down. If we do that, even a little, we'll feel it. Our homes lighter. Our lives calmer. That's the hidden wisdom of the Amish way. The Amish don't chase perfect homes. They don't follow trends. They just live simple. And that's why it works. Their peace comes from less. Less things. More order. Maybe that's the lesson for us all. This was Rustic Pantry. If you felt inspired, stay with us. Because the old ways still have something to teach.